Well, as you know, it's Girl Scout cookie time! Yay! And we have seen Girl Scouts selling cookies everywhere. They're so hard to resist. And now we're about to make it even more difficult with Vida's ingenious twist on two of the most popular flavors. Like, if Girl Scout cookies weren't yummy enough, you went and did this, girl.
Well, and this takes it to a whole new level. And it's also fun, too, because look at it. It's kind of like you can have a little party, like a parfait, Samoa's parfait party with your kids.
Oh my gosh.
And just, like, have fun.
Think about a sleepover, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have some video. You're going to show us what ingredients we need and how to make it.
For the Samoas. Yes, so we're going to start with the Samoas. Want to get right to that, and that's what it looks like when it's done. It's so good.
Yummy.
I started out with just a box of salted caramel brownies. You can get it at your local King Soopers. You scoop it out when it's done, and then you kind of just make some little crumbles of brownies. So you have that, put that on the side. Then you get some whipping cream, 2 cups of whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then I put in a half a teaspoon of coconut extract. Mix
We
that
both
all
do that on
together until it's like super fluffy. Then break up your Samoas in a bag. I like big chunky pieces. Start with your whipping cream on the bottom, and you know what? You can get creative, and you can, if you want to get easy, just go get some Cool Whip. Put those Samoas, put the brownies in there. Keep layering it. Some of that. I bought the sea salt caramel. Do your second layer. Just keep going and going and going. And you know what? You can really, like we're talking about, get creative the way you want. Now, when you're done, I topped it with some toasted coconut, which I put on my website, how to make that, and then drizzle it with more caramel and a cookie, and then you're done.
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.
And look at it just dripping down the side. Don't you want to just lick that off the outside of the glass?
Actually, I just want to go and get in there. Okay, then you have the Thin Mint Parfait. So let's take a look at the Thin Mint Parfait as I eat this.
You go for it. You start eating out of there. Okay, so take a look at that. That's what it looks like when it's done. Took your mint chip brownie box. See those little green mints in the mint chips in the middle? Made that as well. Did the same thing. Scooped out the the brownies. Made little pieces with that too. This I just made regular whipped cream with 2 cups of whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that all together. Make sure it's really kind of fluffy. Then isn't that fun? Pounding up those.
Easy way to do it.
Yeah. Start out with your pudding on the bottom.
Ooh, chop it.
Just put that on the bottom. Then you're going to put some of those brownies, those mint brownies, then some of the whipped cream. Again, you could just use that little spray can and makes it really easy. It does taste better than when you whip it up yourself, though. Some little mini chocolate chips. Put as many or as little as you want.
Yeah.
This is just a sugar rush all around. Some more pudding. Then you add your Thin Mints. You can add a whole bunch on top. We're going to top it off. I'm going to have you top off this last one before we're done, and then I'm going to have you sample it if you want to.
Jeez, my job is so hard.
She told me she's not allowed to eat sugar today, but she broke it already because I made her.
If my sister is watching, she's going to be like, because we made this pack where we're doing a 10-day cleanse.
Yeah.
How can I do that with this sitting in front of me, Stephanie? It's so good. Okay. So what do I do? I just take a
scoop. So what I found out, I was using the spoon, which was hard. I'd have to wipe out. Go get a small, like ice cream scoop, or just a scoop. There you go. Top it off.
Yummy.
Now you can add as many brownies as you want. You can use your fingers because I get a spoon because that's me.
I'm going to eat it anyway.
I know you're going to eat it.
I love that this is so easy that the whole family can do it. And like you said, you made this Cool Whip, but you could go to the store and get it.
You can buy all of this pre-made. You can buy pre-made brownies. I saw a recipe for one of these sea salt parfaits, and she made the recipe from scratch and the caramel from scratch. I'm like, nobody has time for that.
No.
Just go out, make it easy, and it's just as good. Put your cookie in there, and you can sample a little Thin Mint if you want to.
I did. I put that in there.
Oh, you're
and then
good.
Where's this spoon? Can I use a spoon, or should I just? And you know this. Where can our viewers, as I eat this, tell them how they can find this recipe, and then you also have other great, brilliant ideas too.
I do. I have some other stuff that I put a big Girl Scout cookie compilation together, which includes this on my YouTube channel.
Come to Mama.
And just go to YouTube and then do The Parenting Channel, all one word. Isn't that good? I know.
I should have probably only ate half of it, but I stuck the whole thing in my mouth. You guys, this is really, really good. Say that website one more time.
Just YouTube The Parenting Channel. So just go there and you can find it. And I also have cookcraftkids.com, but I put most of my stuff on YouTube. So easy.
So good.
Easy peasy.
I love it. This deserves a hip bump. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Boom! Get it today. Find Vida's recipes for Girl Scout cookie parfaits and all of her other amazing tips, hacks, and DIY projects online. KookCraftKids.com. That's KookCraftKids.com. You can subscribe to her YouTube page too. Just search for The Parenting Channel, all one word, no spaces. And don't forget that Girl Scout cookies will be gone after March 10th. So help support your local Girl Scout troop and stock up on those cookies. We'll be back with more Colorado and Company after this. This is so good. I got to finish eating it.